second class. Today I start chapter 8 Health and Hygiene. Topic is sanitation. Sanitation means keeping the living area and its surrounding neat and clean. This involves removal of waste product and diffuses. Types of waste product: human excreta, example feces and urine; stable litter, horse and cow dung; dry refuse and garbage; household, municipality, industrial and agriculture; liquid waste, household spillage, municipal and industrial effluents; offensive trade waste, dead animal carcass and offal of slaughtered animals. Source of refugees. First is street refugee. Refugee that is collected by street cleansing services or scavenging is called street refugee. Example: leaves, straw, paper. Market refugees. Refugee that is collected from market is called market refugee. Example: spoiled vegetable and animal matter. Stable litter. It contains mainly animal dropping and leftover animal feeds. Industrial refuges. Industrial refuges comprise of a wide variety of waste. Domestic refugee. The domestic refugee consists of ash, rubbish and garbage. Disposal of waste product method. Various methods: filling, control taping, incineration, compositing, manure pits, burial, sorting. Filling means होता है in this method the refuse is generally utilized in filling up pits, unsanitary tanks or in the reclaiming lowland. The area selected be at least 100 to 150 feet away from any habitation. No refuse should be left uncovered for more than 72 hours. Controlled tipping. Controlled tipping of sanitary landfill is the most satisfactory method of refuse disposal where suitable land is available. Chemical, bacteriological and physical charges occur in buried refuges. Take 4 to 6 months for completed decomposing by chemical, physical and bacteriological changes. Method in operation: trench method, wrap method and area method. Incineration. It is a hygiene method of disposal of refuse. Hospital refuse which is particularly dangerous that is best disposed of by incineration. Most suitable for hospital waste. Not a popular method in India because the refuse contain a fair preparation of fine ash which make burning difficult. Compositing. Combined disposal of refuse and night soil और sludge. ऑर्गेनिक मेथड होता है बेटर बैक्टीरियोलॉजिकल एक्शंस होते हैं तो वो मैन्योर्स में चेंज हो जाते हैं. प्रिंसिपल होता है इसमें प्रोडक्ट और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है, वाटर होता है और हीट होता है. हीट प्रोड्यूस इज मोर देन 60 H. ओवरडे डिस्ट्रॉय एग, larva of flies and weed seed and pathogenic agent. The end product fewer no disease producing organism and is good soil builder. Manure pit. Method of refusal in rural area by individual householder. The garbage, cattle dung, straw and leaf are dumped into the manure pits and covered with earth after each day. In 5 to 6 months of time, refuse is converted into manure which can be returned to field. Two such pits are created when one is closed and the other will be in use. Burial. Suitable for small camp. A trench 1.5 meter wide and 2 meter deep is excavated and at each of day the refuse is covered with 20 to 30 centimeter of earth. When level in the trench is 40 centimeter above the ground level, the trench is filled with the earth and compacted and new trench is dug out. The contents may be taken out after 4 to 6 months and used on field. Now, disposal of human waste. Proper disposal of human waste excreta are very essential for prevention of various communicable disease and also to prevent pollution, contamination of soil, water or food through fleas. Various methods are available for disposal of human waste. First is unswept area and swept area. Swept area, the latrine used in such area are mainly the flush latrines. It implies the ample supply of water is available to flush the night soil away. It is simple and hygiene. Unswept area is a service type conservative and non-service type sanitary latrines. Is it divided by sanitary borehole latrine, dug well or pit latrine, water seal type of latrine, PRAI, RCA, Sulab, and septic tank, aqua private. And next is आती है camp latrine. This is the latrine suitable for camp and temporary use. Shallow trench, deep trench, and urinals, stockage pits, and disposal of garbage. Disposal of sewage. This proper disposal and treatment of sewage has assumed great importance today. Treatment of sewage. First, cleaning, chambering, primary sedimentation, tricking filter, and activated sludge process, sludge digestion, disposal of effluent. Disposal of sewage. The sewage is collected by the water carriage system, and where no treatment facility is available can be disposed. So first is sea outfall. The sewage is drained into the sea. This is applicable mostly for coastal city and town. River outfall. The sewage is drained into the river. This is applicable mostly for cities, towns situated along the river or collected by drain. Land treatment. Here the sewage is allowed to drain out on the marked land pits. This is mostly applicable to small village. Oxidation pond, a pond that contains partially treated wastewater which is then left to allow the growth of algae and bacteria which decompose the rest of the waste. Now class, thank you and Jai Narayan.